So this is what's going on with my iDrive, people. Look at it, look at it. I turn off the display, it shows up blue. Turn it back on, it works, but yeah, it's not the greatest, you know. Not supposed to be like that. Let me see. Put this thing in a... Okay, now the blue gone away. Put this in reverse. The camera does work, but it's something with this screen and why it's blue. I don't get it. I don't get it. But it's all good. We're about to hook us ourselves up and get. So you can see what's going on with the screen, and we need to get that sorted out. But my idea, what I plan to do is just get an upgraded screen and get the Apple CarPlay. So yo, that thing gonna be proper, and it's gonna be touchscreen, and it fits right there in the factory position. And you know, that's the thing. We're gonna have apps and them where they play videos. Cause remember, this is the pre-LCI I got here. The LCI version, you can actually code it out so you can watch DVDs and stuff like that. Unfortunately, me not have that privilege. So I'm gonna get my thing set up so I can watch videos, Apple CarPlay, YouTube, run different apps, whole 9 yards, and of course, touchscreen. So yo, stay tuned. Remember, I got some hot shit coming up straight. So just watch out for it. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. What we say? Bodies! Up on YouTube, right? Alright, there you go. Look at this. See? The screen is getting worse. Getting worse. Oh, man. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back. And those that are new, what I say? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Help my thing grow. So, yo, today, yeah, we're not having a pretty good day at all. Nah, they are going good. They are going good. But my screen was giving problems. I previously recorded and showed people. Now I am gonna deal with it. Oh man, headaches. Nah, it should be a simple deal with, because I decided to, because of the screen not working and I have to go buy another screen or whatever. I said, yo, might as well look for a time to upgrade. So I picked up something. I'm gonna show you guys. So in this box here is gonna solve my problem. Gotta get that open. Yeah. I know how people love to see unboxings, so we're gonna sort out that thing real quick. It's like Christmas. Sure, God. So here we go. Avin. This is an Android head unit, touchscreen. This is amazing. Here. This is mic. Let's get to the middle here. OBD2 adapter. Put that down there. Mic. Check out what this is. wireless feature for CarPlay. Mod. Whole wire harness and everything. Damn, that harness looks huge. Install resistance. And the best part, the new unit. So put a SIM card here. Got something from GPS. This is for another SIM card on this side. Built-in mic right here. Yeah, looking proper. Alright, about to get to work. Alright, so we're basically gonna get started. Pull this whole thing down. Just pretty simple. Pry tool, pull off this trim. 2 screws, pull out this. All of this got to come out. So yeah, we're about to get started. Thing about this, it's a job that I want to do but don't want to do, but it has to get done if I want this thing to be taken care of. So yo, gosh, quick easy, as they say. Should take me about an hour or so, just because, you know, man, a professional in the game, you understand? But we got this, we got this. The end result after a little time should be well worth it, because now I'm gonna have a wonderful screen, touch screen, Android, Apple CarPlay, all of that good stuff, you know. Yeah. Typical BMW harness. You gotta pull this little lever. When it's closed, pull this little lever to release this to come down. This slides out of the back right here. Can't really see it, but I'll give you a better view when I unplug all of these and then show you a better view. So hold on. Look at the dash. Looking a wheel. Alright, so this is a better screen of the back of it. This was the main clip that I was telling you about, the main harness, so we could focus. Yeah, that's the main harness that I had to unpull, which is this right here, this big one. This is, I think, for the GPS, which I pulled out. These, meaning I'm just pushing this to the side. I don't think I'm gonna try to pull all of these out if they don't need to be pulled out. So yeah, let's get to work. Alright, so this big old harness now. We got Wi-Fi capabilities. Put on that to the side. Yo, in here looks a mess, but yeah, Wi-Fi, OBD adapter. Let's open it up, people. To the garbage shift now. OBD adapter. This is just a mic. I'm not even sure what this is. Alright, this is the whole harness. Everything's labeled. This says camera, rear camera. This is for another camera. But this is basically a simple, this plugs into this harness, then plugs it back into the radio. I guess it's like the piggyback, and then the wires from this is gonna run up to the screen. So let me go and unravel this right now. Alright, so temporarily put this right here. We're gonna power this on, see what happens. Lick up. Alright. Is it loading? Boom. Screen is on. Looks kind of weird, but I know we gotta probably configure some stuff to work. Let's put this down for right now. Alright, so we got this on. See, this screen is configured good. This is working on everything. Moving it across. Files and some settings. Let me see if we can fix up the display real quick. System brightness and all of that. Blood cleat, we are get somewhere. Oh, we get back now. Red, orange, yellow. Alright, we ain't supposed to be playing with it totally right now, but figure out the screen in a minute. Car information. We gotta figure out how to make the factory screen show up better, but for right now, at least we know most of the stuff will work. System information. Just gotta configure that screen so it fits into the place. We don't know if we'll do that yet, but we'll get to all of that. Navigation and stuff like that. Factory. Alright. At least it power up and it'll work. We'll see if we can get a little music in this real quick. Where's my phone? Should we run on Bluetooth? The radio, the regular radio. I don't hear nothing. Alright. To save yourself a little trouble, which was not said, this harness right here, this is the factory harness. This, what you see blinking, if you can see it blinking, is a fiber optic cable that's normally plugged into right here. You have to plug it out, and then in the harness that comes, you have to put it into this part. So that connects into the factory radio. This part connects into the harness right here. So that's a little step that you have to take. Alright, so everything seems to be working so far. I did a little test run, put everything together. Now it's just to run this harness up here. So I gotta find a way to run this in. Luckily, I already had the backup camera already set, aftermarket backup camera already set up and installed, so I'm just gonna follow those wires and run up. Makes it a little bit easier for myself, being that this is already pre-done in my vehicle. So I'm just gonna follow that. Can't really see what I'm going back here, but I'm gonna run up to here, come along the side because I have the wire that's running right here, and just follow that through and come up to the top to the screen. Yeah, wish I could give y'all a better vibes of this, but being I'm doing this by myself and to hold the camera and everything, yeah, it's a wally. But once I'm done and it's run through, I will come back around and show y'all what I did. Alright, so back again. Like I said before, I thought back again, continuing on the journey of getting this thing in. Basically, what slowed me up was the whole wire harness, because it's so bulky. Because we had to add this piece in, because this piece is the factory unit with the Y, I guess the little extension on it. To alright, so back again. Here's what's holding me up, what's slowing the process down. This right here, the wire harness. Factory harness just has this piece, but now we got this incorporated in it, and then this has nowhere to fit in the back. It's normally in back of the radio. You see? Yeah. So now I gotta make room for it, so I can push it down in the bottom. Alright, so right now up and running, everything is looking good. Screen is on, CarPlay is working, everything is buttoned back up. Just need to put the screen back in, put up the wires, fix up the trim, and we're good to go. Yeah, like I said, yo, the most tedious part of this job is fitting back that wire harness behind this main unit, and after that everything is simple, quick and easy. But yo, thanks for watching as usual. Remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Let me button this all up, then I'm gonna bring it back to you guys and show you the final with trims and everything all back on and looking proper. Alright, everything is on, looking proper. Mod. That touchscreen working. I'm loving it. Info. Back to the home screen. Hold this down for 2 seconds. Go back to this. Sweet. Everything buttoned up and looking proper.